Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change your flag in Rockstar Games. Well, today I'll be showing you how to change your flag in Rockstar Games. So as you can see right now, my flag is the Philippines flag. So there you go. So how to change that in your Rockstar Games. So first open up your Rockstar Games, and once you're here, click on your profile on the top right, and then click on Manage Account. And there you go. As you can see, this will pop up. You'll be directed to your settings and my account. At your profile, go down and you will see country/region. So click on edit. And once you click on edit, you will choose which region do you want. So let's choose United States and click on save change. As you can see, my flag will now be changed in my profile. So right now, you can change your country region as many times as you want, and it will have no wait time, or what do you call this, wait time to change it again. You can change it as many times as you want. You can see right now I'm changing it to Nigeria, then Mexico, and there you go. So but I'm gonna stick to the Philippines for now. So yeah, that's how you change your flag in Rockstar Games. I hope you guys liked the video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.